Hey guys, it's Kirk from Spectre. Today I want to talk about network cabling in your business. As a consultant, I go out and I meet with lots of small businesses, and a common thing that I find is most businesses have not invested in their infrastructure or their cabling. They've maybe purchased a building, renting, and they just haven't wanted to spend the money. Well, let me tell you some of the things that could be wrong with your cabling that's really costing you money in the long run. Maybe your cable runs are longer than 328 feet. On a typical Cat 5e cable, 328 feet is the maximum distance that you should be running in order to get optimum throughput. So if you have a cable that's longer than that, it may still be working, but not working to its full potential. Another issue I see is terminations. Maybe they were done incorrectly, maybe they crimped it too hard, maybe over time it's just become brittle and it's not getting a good connection seat in the pins, and that can cause you some problems. Again, it may work intermittently and all of a sudden it appears to you that your internet is slowing down or that your file upload to your server is taking forever, your print job just isn't quite making it to the printer. Those are all some of the symptoms that you may see. Another thing that I find is the planning phases. You should be planning for a 30% growth in your business at any time. So when you come in, you want to make sure that you have another 30% of cabling available, so as your business grows, you don't have to re-spend and pick it up at a later time. You can just pick it up and go. For literally pennies per day, you can have a brand new network installed in your network, and you're going to get a lot better productivity of it. Just think of it. If we have one employee that's waiting an extra 5 hours per year for a print job or for internet service, what does that equate to in spend versus upgrading your cabling? So again, give us a call at Spectra. We give free evaluations. We'd love to come and give you an idea of what you need. Thanks.